This is the brand new HUAWEI P40 Pro. This year we have 3 models of P40 series, the P40, the P40 Pro and the P40 Plus. Thanks to HUAWEI Malaysia, we managed to get a review unit to do an unboxing to share with you guys. Let's begin with the unboxing. And here the box of the HUAWEI P40 Pro. Malaysia is getting only one configuration for the P40 Pro, which is 8GB of RAM and 256GB internal storage. When I lift up the box, we have the phone. Let's put it aside. SIM injector tools, a TPU soft case, a pair of USB Type-C earphones, USB Type-C cables, and the 40W HUAWEI supercharge adapters. This P40 Pro is capable to charge wirelessly up to 27 watts and also support wireless reverse charge to any Qi-enabled devices. Let's boot it up and roll the text back. The HUAWEI P40 Pro is the first smartphone to feature a quad-sided curved display, where 4 of the side bezels are curved. HUAWEI call it overflow display that gives a natural gesture swiping regardless from any side. The immersive 6.58-inch AMOLED display has a fluid 90Hz refresh rate display, which is a huge upgrade compared to the HUAWEI P30 Pro from last year. The display has an updated in-display fingerprint scanner that works 30% faster. The top of the display has a pill-shaped notch that houses a 32MP camera with autofocus, a depth sensor, and an IR sensor. All 3 components are crammed into a small notch, which is very impressive if you compare it to Apple iPhone 11 Pro notch. On the rear is a rectangle camera that equipped with quad camera setup with a new color temperature sensor. The main camera sensor is a brand new 50MP RYYB sensor that beamed from a 12MP sensor. It has the largest camera sensor in the industry with the 1/1.28-inch and full pixel octa autofocus that deliver accurate yet fast autofocus. The secondary camera is a 40MP ultra-wide cine cameras with 18mm focals and does autofocus and macro shooting. The third camera at the bottom here is a 12MP f3.4 periscope cameras. It features 5x optical zoom, 10x hybrid zooms, and 50x digital zoom. It comes with OIS for better handheld photo takings or video recording. Lastly is a 3D time-of-flight cameras that help depth measures and apply bokeh effects. All the HUAWEI P40 series also features a multi-spectral color temperature sensor that help better white balance control. Here are some photos were taken by the HUAWEI P40 Pro. There are a lot of new AI features on the new P40 Pro, including the most interesting, detecting reflections and remove passerby. If you don't know DxOMark, they're an independent benchmark scientific assessed smartphone lenses and cameras company. They've rated HUAWEI P40 Pro as the best mobile camera smartphone with 128 points out the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro and the Oppo Find X2 Pro, which was lead before HUAWEI P40 Pro took over the crown. Under the hood is the HUAWEI QE990 with 5G modem built right onto the chip, and it also features triple-core NPU. The HUAWEI P40 series gets 8GB of RAM across the board, and the P40 Pro gets 256GB UFS 3.0 storage. It runs on the latest EMUI 10.1 based on Android 10 and has its own app store, which they call it App Gallery, that allows you to download apps onto the device. Google Mobile Services is not coming back, and the HUAWEI Mobile Services is here to stay. The most commonly used apps like Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, WeChat, McDonald's and more works on the device. The HUAWEI P40 Pro is packed with decent size of 4200 mAh batteries and support 40W HUAWEI supercharged that can be fully topped up in less than 1 hour. The HUAWEI P40 series is available for pre-order now for RM2799 and RM3899 for P40s and P40 Pro respectively. There are over 1,300 ringgit worth of freebies if you pre-order now from today to 11 April 2020. For more info on the HUAWEI P40 series pre-order, you may click the link above or you can find it in the description below. That's all for now. Do give us a thumbs up if you like these videos. Do consider subscribe to these channels and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for watching. My name is Joshua Wong. See you guys soon.